pudding?
BabyDoli. Click the subscribe button. Hi friends, how are you guys doing today? Let's shop for some yummy food together and get yummy drinks from the vending machine. Yay! We are here at the supermarket. Let's start shopping. Let's grab the bag and take out some coins. Let's put the coin in the vending machine.
Welcome! How about a counter party?
Let's get a fruit juice. Yay!
Thank you for your patronage.
Let's take it out and drink it. Yummy! I should get some drinks too. Let's put the bill in the vending machine. And I should get watermelon juice.
Thank you for your patronage. Here is your change.
Yay, let's take it out and drink it. So delicious. Yay, let's weigh the biscuit and the cornflakes. Now, let's scan them. Yay, how much is it? Thank you so much. Awesome. Let's eat the biscuits. It's so tasty. Let's grab the basket. We should get an orange. Grape. And a strawberry. Let's scan them one by one. Finished. I will pay in card. Let's slide the card. Thank you so much. Let's eat the strawberry. I love strawberry. Yay! Friends, do you? Let's go home now. See you later, friends. Hi friends, how are you guys doing today? Let's do grocery shopping together. Yay, we are so excited. Let's get started with the shopping. We should get a pizza and a chocolate milk. Let's go to the refrigerator to see what's inside. Let's get a grape soda. And a banana milk. Let's pay for the items, King. Let's scan the items one by one. Yay, finished! How much is it? Let's take out the money from my purse. Here you go. Thank you. Let's drink the chocolate milk. Yummy! Let's eat some more. So tasty! Yay! We should get some more food. Let's get a cup noodle. Milk. And a sandwich. Let's pay again. Yay! Let's scan the orange juice. Sandwich. Milk. Cake. And cup noodle. Finished. Time to pay. Let's pay in card this time. Let's slide the card. Thank you so much. Let's drink the milk. Here's a sandwich for you, King. Yummy! Friends, make sure to subscribe and we will see you next time. Bye-bye!